So Neil, how about at U.S. Customs and Border Protection? I know you have a lot of different activities. Give us one use case of something that you all are doing to keep us all safe.
Yes, yes, sir. Absolutely. Thank you. From CBP perspective, as I mentioned earlier, one of the pieces which we were not doing before was we're collecting a lot of data, but that data, as you said, is the kind of data we were collecting is changing, right? We mentioned about some of the NLP-based data, some of the data which was more video-centric data now, which we were not collecting a whole lot before. So think about some of the cameras and everything at the border, which we are collecting information from. So one thing we started to do, an example that I want to give you is that we started to annotate and tag the data now, so that we can look at the metadata on top of that and collect information and build some models on top of those of the data we have, so that we can figure out, okay, what is the, as to, I can't go into some detail, but I'm just saying is that we're able to assess things better moving forward. And also it kind of helps our agents and officers to look at certain peak times on a certain different times as to what that looks like. And it also, the thing is, this also plays into another piece, which is called the ethical data or ethical AI, which is also getting an interesting position within CBP. We want to make sure we do everything correctly, and think about biometric pieces, right? We're collecting biometric information. How do we make sure our biometric information is completely safe and and secure and things like that? So our models are built like that, so that whatever data we are collecting as of right now is was pretty much transactional, but that is changing into more and more where we are using NLP, and we are also using video-based technologies. Other piece I want to tell you quickly, Luke, is another example we have is we're using also RPA, robotic process automation intelligence, so that one example where we think about if you have email and email, you run a bot on email, and you can actually bring all your common email, which you read a lot more on top of your inbox, right? So which is helping our execs, other folks to take advantage of that. So those are a few examples we're doing at CBP, lots to go. And recently, as you know, the National Security Commission on Artificial Intelligence came out a final report. A lot of good information to read from there. We are learning from that and moving on.